Whatever.
It is okay.
What is that? This one. Well,
For your incident number is 01.
20%. Yeah, where was that at? At Guernsey Park. Oh, GG. 24 o'clock, that's fine, you can put me on it. Number 20 is great. Alright, thanks, Andrew.
Let's try to finish it quick. We should.
it is what it is.
Yeah. Because we still have the other report.
Right. We'll get that done. So I'm pulling this one. I'm going to try and pull through it again.
From Central.
Alright, we're coming back out.
I can't move the feet when I'm on.
Okay. Do the best you can.
This is he put these on her tight. Now the shoulder
They put
is
them-
pulling me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Over there?
saying. Yeah, he put them on her tight. Ow. Ow. That's that.
It's not that tight.
Yeah, he's got them tight compared to how you feel it going.
That you got enough more room in here.
Huh?
There's plenty of room back there.
I'm talking about the cuffs.